Hello, today we are going to present our assignment 2. First, I will introduce our group member. My name is Emily, second member Liu Pei Wen, third member Ong Zijian. First, I would like briefly introduce to our project. Remote control car lock system has existed since previous year ago. It allow users to lock and unlock the vehicle using a smartphone. In this project, we are suggest to adding the face recognition feature into the system. It is to ensure that only the smartphone owner can lock and unlock the vehicle using the smartphone. Face recognition authentication are more secure than the traditional authentication like password, PIN, and so on. Face recognition market size is expected to reach $13.87 billion at a CAGR of 15.7% in 2028. Tests by the National Institute of Standards and Technology say that as of April 2020, the best face identification algorithm boasted an error rate of just 0.08%. That's a big improvement from 2014 when the best algorithm had an error rate of 4.1%. How is the face recognition works? Face recognition will read the geometry of the user's face. Key factors include the distance between the eyes and the distance from forehead to chin, and the system will identify the facial landmarks that is a key to distinguishing the user's face. The facial signature will proceed with a mathematical formula and compare it to a database of smartphone owner faces and verify if the real smartphone owner is unlocking the car. Now we are going to the analysis of biometric feature. First is the universality. Most people have no barrier in using face recognition, but some identical twins might be a challenge for the face recognition system, but there is still most face recognition system has passed the test. Some cases also will affect the accuracy of face recognition, such as some people like to put on heavy makeup or CV dazzle makeup and look different when there is no makeup. Second is about the distinctiveness. Every human face has its uniqueness in terms of the distance between the eyes, skin tone, skin condition, angle of the facial bones, and shape of the eye, nose, lip. Thus, any two persons can be sufficiently different in terms of the characteristics stated above, although identical twins might have slightly different. Third is about the permanence. Human faces are invariant over a period of time unless plastic surgery or any other accident may cause a person to look different. Some people might have unstable skin conditions, for example having some pimples on the face will not affect the result of facial recognition. Last of the biometric feature analysis is the collectability. Face recognition feature on a smartphone has become common and it is easy for data collection except for those people that are still using the older version of the mobile phone that does not support the face recognition feature. Some people might feel using the face recognition feature was having privacy abuse to them.
Now we are going to the feasibility study. Governments may use facial recognition to detect and find terrorists and other offenders. Identity verification with facial recognition is quick and easy. Facial recognition just takes a second to recognize a face, which is advantageous for businesses that utilize facial recognition. Face recognition systems are compatible with different security software. It is simple to integrate them into current systems without requiring a sizable additional expenditure.
Now I would like to briefly introduce the well-known real-world uses for face recognition technology. First is about the healthcare. An individual's medical history and insurance information may be easily retrieved using facial recognition technology by simply scanning the patient's face. Second is about the retail sector. By lowering stealing, facial recognition technology can increase retail security. Additionally, B2C processes are automated using it. Next is the finance. The process of onboarding new clients may be improved with the use of facial recognition technologies. Additionally, it can improve security at banks and ATMs, possibly lowering the frequency of robberies and fraud. Now is about the system integrity and accessibility. Confidentiality. Hackers utilize unique techniques to snap screenshots of users' faces, take over their accounts, and steal their vehicle. The biometric pattern cannot be changed or recovered if it has been stolen. Integrity. Comparing the pattern to the original facial pattern in the first step, the program will automatically extract the high-quality pattern to assure accuracy. Availability. The impact on availability is not large, because the face and mobile phone will always be with the user. Now we are going to error control technique. Multi-factor authentication describes an authentication procedure that requests the user to supply 2 or more factors in order to access an online service. Utilize a variety of biometric authentication techniques and combine them with conditional access rules such as IP address or GPS position. Trusted authenticator applications, or other smartphone solutions like push notification MFA to erect additional barriers to classified data. Next is the prototype design. This is the user setup page/register page. User should enter passcode in order to prevent the user's face from changing dramatically in the future. The system cannot recognize. This page will capture the face of user. This is the login page for the user. User can log in via passcode or Face ID. Here will shows car details of the user. Here are some actions that the user can control.
As the conclusion, face recognition systems was widely accepted and used nowadays. Many companies have implemented face recognition systems in their employees' daily attendance. Most of the country also implemented face recognition for street CCTV and have registered citizen face data into the database. Some other applications also have used face recognition technology since a long time ago, for example, the Apple Face ID, healthcare products, or the airport, and the most common is Face Unlock for the smartphone. In the future technologies, the techniques used in biometrics will keep improving and updating, and one day the disadvantages and errors of biometrics will be fixed and also new biometrics will be developed. That's all for the video. Thanks for your watching.